Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am back today because I received my subscription pens, pencils, and more from Avant Agenda, and I thought I would share that with you. She always gives us a description of everything that she has sent. It always comes in a nice plastic envelope. So this is for July, and first we have the To-Do Notepad Mini. It says put your new pens, marker, and pencil to use as you organize your task with this elegant notepad made with heavyweight paper stock, 9 by 9 centimeters, 100 sheets. Wow, we don't usually, 100 sheets is a lot. That's awesome. I just think that this is the perfect size of notepad. It's not sticky notes, it's just a notepad. So it's perfect. I love having that on my desk just to jot down different notes. So that's the first thing that we got, and then here's our clear plastic envelope. And then we got a you can also pen test on the back, Zebra Sarasa Nano Gel Pen. Zebra Sarasa Nano Gel Pen. So it looks like this, and it is a 0.3. So that is what the tip looks like. If I can write. I really like it. It's smooth. I always like a pen that has the rubber grip on it. So that one's really nice. And then the next one we got is the STA Jelly Roll Bold 1mm silver ink. That'll look good on black paper. I don't know if I have any black right off the top of my... Oh, here's some. So STA Jelly Roll Bold. I really like the way that one writes too. So and it's a 1mm. Let's see what it looks like on white. So nice pen. I like that it shows up on white or black, because then I don't have to switch pens between whatever I'm writing on. And then we get the Colin Dot double-sided marker pen in light gray, and you get a 5mm and then a 1mm. So it is a dot pen. You can fill in your to-do list. I like that. And then you also get a fine tip dot double-sided. Ooh, that is juicy. So there is that one. And then we get Zebra Sarasa clip pen 0.5 millimeter black ink clear body. A must-have for every pen aficionado. This pen is a workhorse with high-quality water-based pigment ink that resists water and fading. Use the robust and spring-loaded clip to take this pen anywhere. And I started using Zebra Sarasa because it is, there is the tip, it is 0.5 because it doesn't smear. Yeah, it doesn't smear, and it again has the little grip on it. And then the last one we get is a Pastel Velvet mechanical pencil in 0.5 2B hardness, light gray body, a slim pencil with a comfortable grip and capped eraser and a soft touch light gray body. Comes with one pencil lead preloaded. I wonder, I think I have some. Lead. I hope I have 0.5. I do. So that will come in handy. But, and you get a capped, well, it says capped. There. So there is your teeny tiny eraser. 0.5 millimeter Pastel Velvet mechanical pencil. Okay, I really love the way that writes, and I love that it's really slender, but you have to be careful taking that eraser the bottom off, which I have what kind of an eraser? Oh, I use this Pentel click eraser is what I usually use, so that's super nice. So that is the Avant Agenda Pens, Pencils, and More for this month. Which one is your favorite? And do you write with pen or pencil in your planner? Let me know down below in the comments. And I'll be back soon with another crafty, planner, or beauty video.